Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can block WhatsApp app on your iPhone using Face ID. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also don't forget to write your comments at the end of the video. Let's get to our topic. And open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Next, you will need to go to Settings in the bottom right corner. Go to Privacy. Next, here you'll need to scroll down to the bottom, and you'll find a section here called App Lock, where you'll find Face ID Lock. And to enable it, you'll just need to click on this button to activate it. And now, every time you go into WhatsApp, then you will have an extra protection so that no one will know what you have in WhatsApp. So, let's say you log into WhatsApp. You're asked to enter your Face ID. And only when your iPhone confirms your face, you can continue to use WhatsApp. Friends, this is the simple way you can block your WhatsApp and iPhone with Face ID. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please leave your likes, write comments, and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.